my braised turkey braciole.
So we're gonna do 3/4 cups of breadcrumbs and 1/3 cup of capers for that salty, briny bite, and some olives, just to give the turkey a lot of flavor. I think that's the key with turkey. It's fantastic, but it really needs a lot of flavor. So I just wanna chop up the olives, and these are just pitted mixed olives. So just pick your favorite olives, mix them up if you want. So we add olives in the bowl, and then we're gonna do some fresh parsley. There we go. We'll do a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil. The olive oil will just bind the whole mixture together. And then you just mix it all up. And last but not least, Parmigiano Reggiano. We're just gonna kind of add that right in there. About 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmigiano. And just toss it right in there. So, filling is done. Let's grab our turkey. So I have 2 turkey breasts that I butterflied. You can have your butcher do it if you want to. And I like to season them with a little bit of salt. Then we take the provolone, and it's gonna be 3 slices of provolone per turkey. And the provolone like this, it helps the breadcrumb stuffing stay inside the turkey so it doesn't fall all over the place. It creates a little blanket for the stuffing. So we're just gonna divide the stuffing between the 2 birds. Okay, that looks good for one, and then the rest for the other. Good? All right, so now we wanna roll up the turkey and then tie him up. We'll tie this little guy up. A little olive oil in the pan, a little bit of garlic. Oh yeah, look how pretty. All right, time to get these babies out. There we go. Okay, so now we add a little bit of white wine just to deglaze the pan and get all those bits into the sauce. Use your spoon, and there's gonna be lots of flavor in the sauce because of those bits. And now we add the tomato sauce. We're just gonna add a tomato puree, and we're gonna make a quick little sauce, and then we're gonna put the turkey back in it. And give it a quick little stir. Yeah. We're gonna add some basil. Just the leaves straight in there, so it has nice flavor. And now we take the turkey and we go right back in. Lay it right in the sauce. We're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes until it's completely cooked through and ready to eat.